हे माधव, मोक्ष को कैसे प्राप्त किया जा सकता है?
पार्थ, मोक्ष को प्राप्त करने के लिए तुम्हें मेरी भक्ति में लीन होना होगा। मेरे बताए मार्ग पर चलना होगा। देवी संपदा वाले व्यक्ति का परिणाम मोक्ष होता है।
हे केशव, ये देवी संपदा क्या है एवं इसके क्या लक्षण हैं?
हे अर्जुन, देवी संपदा से तात्पर्य दिव्य गुणों से युक्त व्यक्ति की प्रवृत्ति से है। देवी संपदा के लक्षण हैं श्रद्धा, ज्ञान, तपस्या, दान और मेरी भक्ति। ठीक इसी प्रकार आसुरी संपदा के लक्षण हैं अभिमान, अहंकार, क्रोध और मेरी निंदा। आसुरी संपदा वाले व्यक्ति का परिणाम नरक होता है। हे अर्जुन, अब मैं तुम्हें साख्य योग, ज्ञान योग एवं क्षेत्र योग के बारे में बताता हूँ। हे अर्जुन, मैं इस ज्ञान को देने के लिए तुम्हें जन्म जन्म से आता रहा हूँ। यह ज्ञान सिर्फ मेरे ही द्वारा प्राप्त किया जा सकता है।
परंतु माधव, आपका जन्म तो कृष्ण के रूप में हुआ है और मेरा जन्म इसी युग में हुआ है। फिर आप कैसे कह सकते हैं कि आप जन्म जन्म से आते रहे हैं?
हे अर्जुन, मेरे कई जन्म हुए हैं और तुम्हारे भी कई जन्म हुए हैं, लेकिन मैं अपने पूर्व जन्मों को याद रख सकता हूँ, जबकि तुम नहीं कर सकते। जब जब धर्म की हानि होती है तब तब मैं अवतरित होता हूँ। अधर्म का नाश करने और धर्म की स्थापना करने के लिए मैं जन्म लेता हूँ।
We are running out of ventilators. I don't know how much longer they can hold on. Oh God, what is happening?
Doctor, do something. Please do something.
We are trying our level best. We hope that he will be fine. Nurse, hurry up. Please provide the injection.
Here it is. Oh God, what is happening? I had never seen this in my life.
We are losing them. This virus, it's out of control. We need more hands, more equipments. We are drowning.
Doctor, you promised us he would survive. Please, please do something.
Please have some patience. Everything will be fine.
We are doing all we can, but it feels like it's never enough.
Yes, doctor, you are right. We are helpless.
Oh, more patients coming. Let's start again. Why is this happening to us? God, why? Another life lost. How many more will it take? Oh no, we are helpless. Yes, we are helpless. We are fighting a war. We can't win. We are helpless. Oh no, we are helpless. We can't lose lives in this way. We have to do something. Yes, we have to do something. Let's bounce back.
I am exhausted. My people suffer. My lands burn. The demon Corona has wreaked havoc, spreading fear and death. I'm completely exhausted.
I have seen it all from above. My winds carry the sickness everywhere. There is no safe place left.
I try to wash away the pain to bring calm, but I am overwhelmed.
I can't help myself. It is because of my reach further.
And what of me? I was once a force of warmth and protection. Now I am feared. Everywhere I turn, I am used for destruction. Corona fuels me, making me burn beyond control.
My dear elements, look at yourself. So weak, so helpless. You are nothing compared to me. I am chaos incarnate. I spread like wildfire, unstoppable and feared by all.
Why are you doing this, Corona? What do you gain from destroying everything?
Fear, power, destruction. These are my gifts to the world. The more fear I spread, the stronger I become.
You will not succeed. We will find a way to stop you.
Yes, we will find a way.
Oh, and who will stop me? You earth, you are already crumbling. Fire, you are barely holding your rage. Water, you have been reduced to tears. And sky, your winds only spread my reach further. You cannot win.
Corona, my dear friend, you are not alone in this destruction. The hatred thrive in the darkness you create. Fear, greed, and despair are my tools. Together, we shall rule over earth and everything within it.
Yes, together we are unstoppable.
I won't let you destroy everything. I may burn, but I can fight back.
You burn with anger, but your flames are nothing compared to the eternal darkness. I command.
Fire, don't act out of anger. We must work together, not against each other.
Yes, we are stronger when we unite. Together we can fight this darkness.
Corona, hatred. You may have caused pain and fear, but we are not defeated. We are the essence of life itself, and we will protect it.
You cannot defeat me. I've spread too far, infected too many.
Maybe, but like water, life always finds a way. You cannot stop the flow of nature.
And I, fire, will burn you down when you least expect it.
I will carry healing winds to those who need it.
Corona, I will surely destroy you.
You may be powerful, but remember this: destruction can never outlast creation. Life always rebuilds, always recovers. We will defeat you, not with force, but with resilience.
Look at them, scrambling in fear, hiding behind masks and closed doors. I have brought the mighty to their knees, shattered their systems. The world is mine now.
And our hatred fuel their fear with rage. They fight over vaccines, borders, races, turning on each other, while I grow stronger with every scream, every conflict. Together, we rule.
They can't fight both of us. While they focus on me, you spread like wildfire, dividing their hearts, poisoning their minds. We are unstoppable.
Fear is my weapon. Just as much it is yours.
Together we have reshaped this world. Let's see how long they survive under our reign.
As long as fear rules, so will we.
We have survived. The world will heal, just as we always have.
The air is clearer now. The sky is blue once more.
And life will flow again, stronger and more vibrant than before.
Together, we will protect this balance.
Remember, no matter how dark things may seem, light and life will always return. We are the elements of this world, and we will always stand united. The demon Corona and devil hatred thought they could win through fear and destruction. But in the end, we showed that unity and resilience are stronger than any darkness. Life, like nature, always finds a way to restore balance.